back to my channel. It's a baby girl saying me up. We are all doing fine. Yeah, it's another weekend. Spend weekend with me. Spend weekend with me. Spend weekend. As a matter of fact, I don't even see it any day, anytime. I know you to work with this house. If you have baby, please relate. I know you understand what I'm talking about. So I want to clean up now. Yeah, I just want to clean some places. I want to clean up. I want to arrange my spoon. Then I just go on and make my breakfast, kids breakfast, and daddy breakfast. Yeah. So after that, I need to make my baby get hair. Then I think we go out later. Yeah, we get together because the weather is cool today. So let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Go. Let's go. Go. So after finished cleaning and eating breakfast, so we just go on and face our assignment because we have a lot of homework to do. The sister was disturbing us, so we just come straight to their room so that we can finish the assignment there. So after that, we just go straight into our game. The game name is Rock, Paper, Scissors, Shoot. You take goma, you take a cleaner to school, you always lost it. So you are telling me that I should count how many times you have lost your goma. I don't know. Oh God. Come here.
I know you're going to go in slap.
I'm not giving you slap. We are playing game now. I should tell you how many stuff that I have on my phone. How can I count all the stuff I have on my phone? This boy. The second one, he asked me that how many videos have I made. I should count all my videos I've posted on YouTube. How can I count it? The third one is asking me that how many times have you lost his cleaner? You, where come here? If I can win now, I'm going to give you this question. Oh yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Why you always this? I'm not even winning anything. This is you. Okay, let's go. See you.
How many letters in the ABC we have?
ABC. We have 26 letters. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, 26 letters. Okay, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got you! Okay, 2 plus 2.
4.
You got it too. Come closer. Okay, and then okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my God. Again, okay. Bring your question. Okay. Yeah, what is the questions? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I got you! Let me ask you a question. A, M, E, Chi. What does it mean? You got my question again, so don't collect slap again. You don't want to collect slap, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Get up! Okay. let me ask you this. How old is Sarah?
0, 5.
Give me your hand.
No, sir. I know.
How many more Sarah have?
7.
7. Okay, and then yeah, let's go.
God.
You got it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You got each other again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh gosh.
Mama, why are you losing so much? Me and you,
I know that taught this game, but you are now overdoing it more than me. Okay, let's go.
Pronounce the letters in your. Say what? Yes.
Work out.
No.
I don't know why you run away. You don't want to collect last. So after that, I just go straight and make my baby get hair. She has short hair, so I just go on and weave only her hair, and I put the Brazilian wool in the mat because I don't want to use it from the beginning so that it will not cut it. So later in the evening, we went out to see how everything looks like, what is happening outside. So we just drove out. This is how our weekend went. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And see you on my next video. Bye bye. You know, come. Let's do this way.